This a kill beat.
Hey y'all, it's Ash here. Welcome back. So before we even start this video, let me just say Happy New Year. You guys are going to be getting this video on New Year's Day. It's now New Year's Eve, and I was like, I need to put something out in the beginning of the year. I'm pretty sure you noticed this already because you just clicked the video. But I did change my channel name. It is Ashley LaBria now. I just felt like the life of A Cakes, I feel like this year, 2018, like I'm becoming more mature a little bit. But I want to start like branching out my channel, build my brand. So I decided to go with my name, Ashley LaBria. So with that being said, I'm here to do a wig review for you guys. So if you would like to know more about this wig that I got from LuffyWigs and how I achieved this look, make sure you stay tuned. I ordered it November 25th and it came like 2-3 days later. And they were very attentive. Like right after I ordered it, I got an email saying that, well, I got an email confirming my order. And then after I received that confirmation order, I received another email from someone with the company saying, please let us know when you got your wig and how it feels and how you like it. So I thought that was very sweet and attentive. I love stuff like that. Like people like that, they actually seem like they care. So the hair is virgin Malaysian hair, so it is completely the same color, it's non-processed. It's the same color that it was when it was chopped off of someone's head. I didn't dye it at all. The only thing I did was I bleached the knots, as you guys saw, and I cut the baby hairs. That's pretty much all I did to this wig, and I wetted it a little bit. We got it like this. It is a full lace wig, so you can part it all over. You can put like a part down the middle, do 2 braids. You can wear it up in a ponytail. You can pretty much do any style like it's your hair. Well, it is my hair. You can't tell me that this is not my hair though. And I got my wig in 150 density. I think next time I might get 180 because I love like really full thick hair. I mean, it is pretty thick, don't get me wrong, but I love big hair. But I am gonna tell you guys, since I bleached the knots, like it is shedding. Like it's not shedding a lot. And I did pluck my hairline to make it more realistic. So I mean, that's some more things that cause shedding, but it's not like crazy shedding. It's very minimal. But so far I like this wig. I would definitely recommend that you order the wig. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I hope you guys are having a great New Year's, and I'll see you next video.